Hello everyone, this is Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is teeth. So now let's get started. Our teeth help us to chew the food. It plays an important role in digesting our food. So as we all know that our teeth help us to chew the food, they also help us to digest our food. First, it helps in mixing saliva with food, then breaks the food into small particles. What happens when we put a bite of food into our mouth? Then the food is mixed with saliva and then our teeth breaks the food into small particles. And we have two sets of teeth. And what are they? Temporary teeth, which are also known as milk teeth, and permanent teeth. So first we will read about temporary teeth. They come out 6 to 7 months after the birth. When we are 6 or 7 months, after that our temporary teeth come out. They are 20 in numbers. Now we will read about permanent teeth. They replace the milk teeth. When our temporary teeth break, that time our permanent teeth come out. They are 28 to 32 in numbers. They come out between the age of 12 to 21. When we are at the age of 12 or 21, at the time permanent teeth come out. We have 4 types of teeth. And what are they? Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So this is the diagram of premolar, this is incisor, this is molar and this is canine. So first we will read about incisor. Please wait a minute. Yes. Incisor. They are 4 in each jaw, which you use for biting. They have sharp edges on them. We use incisor for biting our food and they have sharp edges on them. And there are 4 in both the jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. We have 2 jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. So in upper jaw we have 4 incisor and also in lower jaw. So now canine. They are at the side of incisor. They are used for grabbing and tearing food. Canine are next to the incisor and they are used for grabbing and tearing the food. Now premolar. The teeth next to the canine on each side of a jaw are known as premolar. What are premolars? The teeth next to the canine are known as premolar. And molar. The set of teeth next to the premolar on each side of a jaw have a broader surface than the premolars. These are called molars. Molars are at the side of premolars and they have broader surface than the premolar, and these are called molars. So now we will read these points. Incisor are 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. They are total 18 numbers. Canine are 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. They are total 4 in numbers. Premolars are 4 in each jaw. Means 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. They are total 18 numbers. Molars are 6 in each jaw. Means 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. They are total 12 in numbers. So this is the diagram. We have total 32 teeth. Okay. Now I am showing you the diagram. This is the premolar. This is incisor. This is molar and this is canine. You can look that incisor have sharp edges and molar is having broader surface than the premolar. These are also the diagram of teeth. Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Here also you can look, molar is having broader surface than the premolar. So our first teeth are known as incisor. This one is the canine. These both are premolars and the last one are molars. So here is also the diagram. This is a term. These are molars. These are incisor. This is a lip. This is gingiva, which means gum. Ulva, this is the ulva. And these are the premolars. And this is canine. Thank you for watching my video. Until the time, bye-bye. And have a nice day.